If you need help understanding how to cook with the gas grill, look no further. This short video tutorial will provide instructions for how to safely start, clean, and cook with the gas grill. Grilling is an easy and flavorful way to cook while creating a minimal, easy to clean mess. First, determine what kind of fuel your grill uses. This grill uses natural gas. Make sure the valve on the gas line is open. Next, look for the burner knob controls and the igniter button. You're going to want to make sure your grill is closed. Turn these on and then push on the igniter button. If the gas does not light in a few seconds, turn off the knobs and wait a few seconds for the flammable gases to dissipate. Now that the burners are on, you're going to want to close it and let it heat up to at least 400 degrees so you can clean it. Once it's nice and hot, use a stainless steel brush to scrape off the grates. Once that's nice and clean, shut it and turn it down to medium-high heat. Now, make sure the grill is nice and hot and place your meats on the grill. Make sure that they're at least 1 inch apart. Once the underside is nice and brown and has some grill marks, flip it over. Switch the positions of the chicken if they're cooking at different rates. Once they look ready, go ahead and take them off a grill. Put them on a plate. If you don't feel comfortable inspecting the meat visually, use a meat thermometer. Once you're done, leave the grill on for some time so that it can burn any food particles, making it easier to clean. Once the grill's heated up for a while, go ahead and scrape off the rest. Turn off the burner knobs and close the gas supply valve. If your grill has a cover, place this on the grill when it has cooled off. Different foods will require different cooking times. Practice is the best way to learn proper cooking times. Enjoy the food and enjoy your grill.